trend. The topic is sustainability. So ideally, no waste will be produced due to the concept of the zero waste concept. So we can carry this out by a number of things that are carrying on at the moment. It's effectively harvesting heat, which through kinetic energy will create a small amount of energy to power small devices. So these small devices can be regarding of the Internet things and sensors and a wide range of things that don't use a great deal of power. So the other major focus is that food will be produced without wasting resources in order to guarantee sustainable resources going into the future, due to the fact that population growth is going up, and this will be maintained and monitored by the actual use of sophisticated monitors to know exactly when certain nutrients, water, light, etc., will be used to create and grow products at the fastest manner. So the other thing is to have a complete change of the way things are grown. So having a decentralized vertical farming, which will mean that you can actually grow more in a smaller physical space. And what I discussed a little bit before is smart agriculture, which effectively will identify bugs and maybe sort of destroy them or alert the farmer to actually analyze the soil and only water where it's needed, or actually have a system where you're actually growing them in a particular area where nutrients and water and light are all fully controlled, as well as the actual air around them, the amount of oxygen and other sort of substances in that particular airflow around the plant. We can also adopt this for the welfare of animals, so that we have a particular monitors that will identify for each particular animal where they have been, what they have done, what they have eaten, what they have drunk. So we're fully aware of the underlying well-being of that particular animal. So the major topics are agricultural innovation to actually respond to our food demand, maybe total changes in what first world populations will be expected to eat. Circular economy, so effectively we have a circular way of minimizing waste through reuse of those products and production using those particular waste products. Clean technology, so having a cleaner way of generating that technology and the methods. Energy harvesting is a major thing going forward, so that we can harvest small amounts of energy from our surroundings. So this can be utilized to either maintain very tiny devices around the house, around the body, and effectively around the world. So the next major thing, which is going to be a major problem, and probably is at the moment, is the ethical consumption. So the morale of consumption of energy and resources around the world. So to be effectively considerate and have that in mind with the usage and the design and development of those products. And lastly is zero waste. It's minimizing the amount of cardboard, plastics and food waste, and being more mindful that rather than have single-use plastics, having multi-use plastics, or plastics which then will be bought by the customer, but then maybe a deposit on those particular products so that it can be sold back to organisations or the supermarket, which in turn they will send it back to the manufacturers. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to Megatrends and listen out to the next video when it comes. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.